Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. ShipBob is hiring for pricing analyst fulfillment partners. As a member of the ShipBob team, you will benefit from an environment where everything is achievable. We aim to be a place where you can write your career story because we are solving some of the most difficult problems in global commerce. You have the opportunity to write the story that will make your career. Experience global impact and global connection. At ShipBob, we benefit from diverse cultures and perspectives in service of the global community. Grow with an ownership mindset. We believe that great innovation comes from great transparency. We are from resilient and more creative when we have an inclusive and transparent culture where everyone knows our strengths and opportunities. Title: Pricing Analyst Fulfillment Partners. Here is the role description. ShipBob currently operates a network of 38 global fulfillment centers run by 20 plus third-party partners. As a pricing analyst, you will help us conduct market research and examine historical productivity data to decide fair prices to pay our third-party partners. You will ensure every partner has a clear understanding of their profitability and the actions they can take to further cut costs and increase profit. You will work directly with partner owners and senior managers responding to complex pricing questions that require detailed analytics. Now what you will do: review existing ShipBob fulfillment network, partner contracts and prices. Create templates that will allow ShipBob to quickly offer competitive prices to prospective partners. Respond to ad hoc questions around complex pricing issues and profitability inquiries from partners. Conduct training sessions with new SFN partners to explain the invoicing and billing process. Create Power BI dashboard and other tools to give SFN partners historical and real-time insights into their profitability and opportunities to cut costs. Investigate specific areas within the fulfillment process to find opportunities to reduce costs, additional duties and responsibilities as necessary. What you will bring to the table. So qualification requirements are 0 to 3 years in finance, accounting or operations, graduation or post-graduation from a premier institute only, excellent attention to detail. You prefer work to be done correctly every time instead of quickly with occasional errors, meticulous organization. You do not forget about open tasks or to-do items. You will ask questions when you are not sure of an answer instead of guessing. Expert communicator. You can have difficult conversation orally and in writing with key stakeholders ranging from fulfillment partner owners to operations associates. Report to VP Supply Chain Operations. Perks and benefits in this role: medical and accidental insurance, all-purpose leave, casual and sick time 12 days, earned leave 15 days, public holiday 12 days, generous maternity and paternity leave, quarterly wellness day, employee assistance program, work from home allowance, referral bonus program, fun culture. You can check ShipBob on Instagram also. We recognize that people come with a wealth of experience and talent beyond just the technical requirements of a job. If your experience is close to what you see listed here, please still consider applying. Diversity of experience and skills combined with a passion is a key of innovation and excellence. Therefore, we encourage people from all backgrounds to apply to our position. About you. So at ShipBob, we are looking to bring on board people who embody our core values. Be mission driven. We want team members that are passionate about helping entrepreneurs improving their business and bring that passion every day. Be humble. We have ambitious goals and our team members understand that success or failure depends on us working together and leaving egos at the door. Be resilient. Logistics is a complicated business, so is software. We value team members that never give up and keep iterating until a problem is solved. Be a creative problem solver. As a startup, we value smart, innovative solutions to complex problems. We fall in love with problems, not our favorite solution. Be safety minded. It's not just talk, it's the way you work. You can read about the ShipBob here. ShipBob is a cloud-based logistics platform that partners with over 7,000 plus e-commerce businesses to help make their entrepreneurial dreams a reality. We offer a full state of fulfillment solutions for our merchants, including the ability to improve their transit times, shipping cost, and deliver best-in-class experience to their customers. With an almost 100% accuracy rate in fulfilling orders and orders shipped on time, our merchants can count on us to deliver excellent service. Now here is the application form where you have to fill first name, last name, email, phone, then your resume you have to attach. If you are already working, then your current title, current company, and your college name. Please enter the name of the college where you received your highest degree. Then these are some basic details, and after filling all these things, you have to click on the submit application and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.